everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasmin, and for today's look I just kind of threw this together, just something, just something light, but I really didn't know what direction or what makeup look I wanted to do today, so just kind of experimented with a few different palettes and a few different colors. I hope you all enjoy the look, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, hi guys. So of course you know your girl gotta lay the wig, so ignore the scarf, but I'm not sure what look I'm gonna do. So let's see. Let me start with the Festival palette. I'm gonna take a blending brush and then dip it into this shade right here. I think that's keeping it safer right now because I don't know what color I'm going to do or what look. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease area and blend upward. I think I'm going to take this color in the Magic palette. I'm just going to put that in the corners of my eyes first and then blend that out. Back and take the brush that I used the first color with, just to bring that yellow color back into the look and also help blend the pink color out. I'm going to take this purple color here and I'm going to put that right in this area. Now I'm going to do the halo. So I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in 4 and my flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to look down and primarily focus, like look straight ahead and primarily focus right in the middle. I'm going to go into the Magic palette and I'm going to use this sparkly color here and then just pat it on. I don't want to rub it because I don't want to lose any pigmentation of it. I'm going to go back with this eyeshadow brush here and I'm going to go back into this deep purple shade and just blur out the edges of the center. The brush that I used for the pinkish shade and just blend out the harsh edges here. Okay, now I have my lashes on, so I'm just gonna clean up the fallout with a makeup wipe. That way it doesn't really blend into my foundation. My face is on, so now I'm just going to finish up the look by putting eyeshadow on my under eye. So let's see, I think I'm gonna do smoky around here, but then in my waterline I'm gonna do like a really bright color. So let's see, I'm probably just gonna use the same brush. I'm just gonna use this color right here to put on my bottom lash line. take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Yeah, Milk. I'm gonna put that in my waterline. Add mascara to my bottom lash line to finish off the look. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a lip on. What lip do I want? I kind of want to do a pinkish lip. I'll probably just do a gloss, to be honest. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do this gloss by NYX. It's the Butter Gloss in Eclair. Let's see how that looks. Okay, and that's the end of the look. I hope you all enjoyed this look. I'm really feeling it. I'm really feeling it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. That was very difficult. Okay.